In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a virtual business address for an LLC. We'll be using the PostScan Mail website to go through the setup process from start to finish. A virtual business address can be useful if you want a more professional mailing address for your LLC, or if you prefer not to use your home address for business mail. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so the process feels simple and straightforward. Start by going to the PostScan Mail website. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Get Virtual Address for LLC and click on it. This takes you to the section designed specifically for business owners who want an address for their LLC. Next, scroll down until you find the Virtual Address for LLC pricing plans. Here, you'll see different plan options available. Take a moment to review them carefully. You can choose the starter plan, the standard plan, or the premium plan depending on your business needs and how much mail handling support you want. After you've decided which option works best for you, click the sign up button for that plan. From there, you'll be asked to choose a location. You can either select one of the primary hub locations or search for an address near you. This is an important part of the process since the location you choose will become your virtual business address. Once you find a location that fits your needs, click on it. After selecting the location, you'll see plan choices again for that specific address. Choose the plan you want, then click Sign Up to continue. On the next screen, you'll be able to review your address. This is a good time to double check the details and make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. If it does, click Next. Now you'll need to select your account type and fill out the registration form. Enter the required business and contact information carefully, making sure it matches your records where needed. Accuracy here can help avoid delays later in the setup process. Once the form is complete, review the terms, agree to them, and then click Next. Finally, proceed to the payment step to complete your order. At that point, you'll be finishing the sign-up process for your virtual business address. And that's it. Once everything is submitted, you'll be one step closer to having a dedicated mailing address for your LLC. If you're following along, just move slowly, review each page before continuing, and make sure your selected plan and location are the right fit for your business.